3 minutes. Give me just 3 minutes for showing you why you should be inside in this program. Please answer. How many programs you bought until this moment? 3, 5, 8, 7? Did you make money? I didn't, but I understood how is system work. You and me couldn't make money because we didn't know about the customer, about the traffic, about the funnel, about the email, and about the system. Because inside of the programs which you and me bought, the situation is like this. Spend $100, $200 for the traffic, send traffic to the opt-in page, and after there's the offer. It's not working because these informations which you and me bought, it's the pieces of real system. This system is basic steps of the affiliate marketing. These programs made the blocks in your mindset which didn't show the right way. Let me explain. Bad experience, distrust to yourself, bad experience from the tries. You believe to this program, you will see, you think I will make money, but you didn't. Elite Marketer program shows you step by step how this system is really work. Look, it's so easy, it's so simple, it's the easy and simple that these programs, if you already know about the affiliate marketing but you still not making money, you should just add some phrases, changing 2 things, and change your mindset. If you don't know about the affiliate marketing, it's so better because you will not have any questions about affiliate marketing. I'm really happy to share these informations with you. It will be 3 magic day journey for affiliate marketing. After 3 days in your first week, you will make your $1,000. Yes, I'ma promise you your first $1,000 in your first week. If you will not, just request the refund. I will refund all money which you spent. Elite Marketer program will show you about the customer in 4 levels, about the funnel, about the email, about the system. If you will not make money, the 30-day money back guarantee, just request refund. But I promise you, and I hope, I know, I'm waiting the good results, good message from you, my friend. buying this program and understanding the system, making money, or just searching another programs. It's in your side. It's in your choice. Good luck, my bro.